What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. Ha. We got the trifecta today. It's Wednesday. It's the first Wednesday, and I got a full tank of gas and nothing to do tonight. So we're gonna go to the first Wednesday meetup. We haven't been there in a while. The weather is absolutely perfect for it. I mean, we're like mid to upper 70s right now. It's clear skies, beautiful. So we're gonna take the trek out there and see who we can see and see what we can do, and we're gonna definitely get some In-N-Out burger. Sounds pretty good. So take a little drive and we're gonna see if we can have some fun. Here we go. Got my pink lemonade. I had me a nice burger. We'll do a quick walk around before it gets too dark. What's up, buddy?
Not too much. Made it from oven.
You don't see many barn doors around these parts. Bruce made me that.
Yeah, I was just checking it out. Did you do like a video for install?
I sure did. I did one of the takedown and one of the putting it back up. It's Hugo! Oh, it sounds so smooth and no oil. Oh boy. Cool, man. Good to actually get something fixed after you fix it. Here, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hi, who are you?
Straight Axle Dubs.
Straight Axle Dubs on the YouTube.
MSS and everything.
Ooh, look at it with the high tech.
Gimbal.
Sponsored. We'll put a link somewhere over here.
Down there, somewhere.
You can find them. Straight Axle Dubs.
In a vehicle is where you can find it.
Big as your head. Matt Jackson using the Safari windows for the proper use while parked. Where you put your drink when you're in and out.
Hey, welcome to Old Volks TV.
Old Volks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you like what you're seeing, hit the like button.
like and subscribe. It's going to be right down here.
Oh, now I gotta figure out where to put it. Sorry. Big exhaust. Oh, I'm not using the audio on this. Stop running away from the camera. That's not how it works. Shop rag.
It's not a shop rag, it's a shirt sleeve.
It looked like a red shop rag.
It
without
does, I
the
guess,
oil,
now
like
that
a
you
brand new
mention
red shop rag.
So I need to get a different color.
In a certain neighborhoods, you wouldn't be able to wear that.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't think about that. Same with the blue.
I'm such a diva too.
You're at work.
I do nothing but yell at people and I've got the camera on. Get out of my shot! Okay. Mind if I pop your head and have a look?
Yeah, I'll put things back. Here, without the...
Big ass motor back here in this Gia. We're gonna do a thing on this one, I think. This car is pretty rad. It's all computer controlled and Raspberry Pi in the dash, not the good kind, but the computer kind. A NASA guy built it, an engineer. Lots of cool stuff. This car is sweet. Not a whole lot tonight. I did too much talking and not enough walking. But look, Axel's getting the shot. Straight Axel dubs. Too much walking, not enough talking. So I don't know. It's either going to be a short video or you'll never see it because it'll be a new video. I don't know. We got the races on Saturday. You going to the races on Saturday?
Yeah, we're going out there Friday.
You're going to run the green turd? You're going to run the notch?
Well, if we get a tire for it.
Oh, that's right. No, so we're gonna go out there and maybe do some recording at the races, and who knows, we'll get somewhere else and record more stuff for your enjoyment of videos.
Bus out there. Oh.
Not my bus. Oh, and we gotta finish working on the bus. We gotta get the motor in the dumb bus.
Get the motor in, then race it. Yeah.
Get the motor and then race it. Ricky and Clint have called me out on a race, and I don't know if they were joking or not. They have no chance of doing anything. Even with that big motor, that heavy turd's gonna be too slow, so.
That motor stock. I want to convince my old man to someday get the 59 out there, but I don't know.
All right, well, we're gonna wrap it up. So do that thing that Matt said earlier with the subscribe and the like and the link and the whatever
In the comments.
and check out Straight Axle Dubs, check out VW Live, check us out at Volks America on YouTube. Order your magazines, get your subscriptions. What do we say at the end of our videos?
Thanks for watching.
Take the mask off and say it so you can see your face.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.